I'm gonna show you guys how I do my nails at home. I started doing them when I moved to New York, when I realized how expensive getting your nails done is here. I also make jewelry, so my nails get pretty beat up pretty quickly. What I do is probably not the correct way, but it's what's worked for me. I love the way I do my own nails, and if I don't like them, I know I didn't spend a bunch of money. I have builder gel on, so with builder gel, I have to file them down. I can't soak them off. So I have a e-file, and I think it's a 240. I bought like a pack of sanding bits on Amazon, and it has 3 different buffers. So one's the 80, 240, and then 150, and I always use the 240. It's what feels comfortable for me, and it doesn't burn my nails. First nail done. Now we need 9 more. I just finished removing the gel polish on my left hand. I'm gonna go in with my right hand. Now I am right-handed, so this part is a little bit more tricky. So I do take a little longer on my right side because I am right-handed. I just finished sanding all the gel off my nails. I did order a boba tea that just got here, so. Oh, it's a strawberry milk with white pearls. I don't like the regular boba pearls. File our nails into, I think I kind of want to do like an oval shape today. I did square for the first time in a while last time. Yeah, we're gonna do a little oval this time. I do love my nails to be pretty short, and one thing I hate about going to the nail salon is like every time you ask them if you can go shorter, they don't, and I would always end up coming back home and just end up filing them myself when I would pay so much money. And the sun is definitely coming in, so the lighting is gonna get a little weird. But I filed my nails down now. They're an oval shaped, which I think is really pretty for the color that I'm gonna do today. What is next? Cuticle remover. I've had this since I've started doing my nails, which is like well over 2 years or so. And I'm like somewhat close to running out, but if you need a cuticle remover, I really recommend this one. So you'll apply a little dot onto your cuticles, spread it around, and then once you put them on all your cuticles, you let that sit for about 45 seconds. I also do like to push. Once you let that sit for about 45 seconds, I go ahead and push back my cuticle and it removes all that gunk. Okay, once I've done that, I then go ahead and wipe all the extra residue off. And then sometimes I'll go back in with cuticle remover pliers and just remove anything that didn't come off. Okay, your cuticles are done, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and buff out my nails a little bit. Everything I've purchased for my nails I've bought on Amazon. I'll link everything that I use in my Amazon storefront for you guys in case you want to get started. Maybe next time I'll show you guys how I do my dip. I've done it all. I've done dip, I've done Gel X, builder gel. After I buff my nails, I go in with a lint-free wipe and some acetone and just wipe off all the dust. So the builder gel I use is this Nail Thoughts. This is actually the only thing that I don't buy from Amazon. It's a different website that I'll have linked down below for you guys, but it's super easy to use. There's really no special way that I do this. I kind of just treat it like a nail polish. So I'll start with my thumb first. Actually, I like to add kind of a bit to the middle, and then I'll bring the builder down to get it as close to my cuticle as I can without getting my cuticle, and then I'll go up. And then I'll cure my thumb, because with the builder gel, if I start doing my other ones, the builder will end up shifting to one side, is what I've noticed if I don't cure it first. So once it cures, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my nails. So again, I add just a little bit to the end, and then I'll push a chunk of it down slowly and then go up to try to get as close to my cuticle as I can. And then I've seen some people buff out their builder gel, but I don't. I leave it as is and put the nail polish over it. We're gonna do like a pink cat eye polish. When I first did cat eye, at first I just put the cat eye right on top. And I used to never love it because it would give like a dark shade to it. I don't know how to explain it unless you've done it before. Actually put polish first, the same color that you'll have your cat eye. Put the gel polish first, and then you put the cat eye polish over it, and it looks so good. So we're doing a pink cat eye, so we're doing a pink gel polish as the base. I only did one coat of the pink polish. Last time I did two, and I think it was a little too bulky. So we're just gonna do one this time and see how it looks. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the cat eye polish on top. I'm using this gel polish. I bought it on Amazon as well. Put the polish on top. After you put the cat eye polish on top, usually the polish will usually come with a little magnetic stick. And this is the part where I don't really know what way to go. So I usually just start from the bottom corner and then slowly go up. And then I push it away, go from the other top of the corner. I don't know if it's picking up too well on camera. I'm gonna do one more coat of the cat eye. There we go. And then I'll cure this for another 60 seconds. Okay, we're adding one more coat of the cat eye polish. Then you'll go back in again with your magnetic and do it the same way you did it last time. And then we'll cure them in for another 60 seconds. Last step is a top coat. I use this top coat. It comes with a base coat and a top coat on Amazon. It's really inexpensive, and it's my favorite top coat. I've bought in it like twice already. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all over my nails and then cure it one last time for 60 seconds. I'm running out of this top coat, so I will be repurchasing a third one soon. and then cure it one last time for 60 seconds. The last step, I get a 240 file. It's a lot softer. And then I go over and feel any rough spots on my edges to file down so that way it doesn't drive me crazy. Okay. Perfect. Now we made it to the very last step, which is cuticle oil. And I just put it on each nail. And that's how I do my nails at home with builder gel and cat eye. Maybe next time I'll do dip nails to show you guys how we do dip nails. Thank you guys so much for watching. I took about 3-4 hours to do my nails today. Definitely takes a lot of your time, but I saved $100 today. And I love how they came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!